Yo, this is lit. This is different. I like it. I like it. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but I am still here. Your boy's just been on a different hustle lately. I know I've mentioned it before in a couple of my prior videos that I have been doing DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub. So been doing the food delivery, and that's been hot in my area, so I've been rolling with that. And today we're gonna bring you a little something different here, at least with the camera footage and the angle. So let me know how it looks to you, how it sounds. I am using the Dji Action 2. Now, I don't know if you have the Action 1. I've never had the Action 1. I've had the GoPros, and I wanted something different. I wanted something that was gonna suit my needs, get the shots I want, be clean, but I didn't need the durability and the robustness of the GoPro. I'm not doing any heavy hitter action sports, nothing like that. This fits what I need, and I have the front screen module with the the camera module. I didn't do the battery one. I just did the front screen battery combination thing, and it is awesome. The responsiveness on it, the mounting systems. Right now I have you on a Joby suction cup mod with the GoPro adapter, and sitting on that, and the magnets on this thing are insane. Like, they're not going anywhere, and I love the small form factor. As you can't tell right now, I have the lanyard sitting on my shirt, so if I wanted to get a POV view of what I see a little bit, I guess you could say, because it's not really at my eye level, but on my shirt, man, that is lit. I could just pull off the top piece and pop it on. But what I'm doing today is I'm about to go ahead to my boy's crib. I am in the TL. The TL has been running like a champ. This is my daily runner for work, y'all. And it's been running like a champ. Like, people don't suspect that this is a stroker. And it still runs great. Like, no issues with the motor, no issues with the trans, nothing with the clutch. Like, everything's been great. You know, the issues that I'm having now are dealing with the suspension. So my shocks are blown. The control arms are the bushings in them are jacked up. My alignment is off because of all that's off, and now I have a rack and pinion leak, so now I got to replace the rack. So few things I need to do to get this back up to par for 100% drivability. And we're gonna start off today. I'm gonna go to my boy's house, and we are gonna set up shop there. I'm gonna change out the shocks. So in the back seat, in these big old boxes back here, are stock OEM shocks, because I want to raise it back up to its stock height, because I'm tired of scraping on everything and I'm trying to not rip my bumper off. I want it back to stock height. You know, the lowered look is cool, but I'd like to have ground clearance. Other than that, let's roll. Alright, so I just pulled up to my boy's house. I'm gonna go run inside, get everything set up real quick, and then I'll bring you guys right back out when the car is ready to be taken apart. Let's do it. Alright, so let's get one last look of how low this car is right now. You know, this is the front, and yes, the damage has been here since I bought the car. In case I haven't really shown this side of it, but you can see how low it is. So let's get to it. All right, so I'm back. I already tore into it a little bit. I got it parked under my homeboy's carport, and this is where we at. We already got both wheels off, and I already pulled out the bolt down here. You can see it moving. So originally I thought it was going to come through in the trunk and be in the back side of the panel here. Boy, was I wrong. So you got to take out the seat, take off the deck lid back here, and then you can access the two bolts. I think they're 14s, and they'll drop right out. So that's the rear so far. Keep going. All right, so we got out the rears, and yeah, they've definitely seen better days, man. These bushings are toasted. The insides are pretty much done too. Like, hitting bumps on this thing was nasty. So, oh yeah, we got Mr. Oh yeah over here.
Are you fucking recording?
No shit.
Goddamn, we're recording me drinking a...
Well, guys, I lost daylight. There was a lot more I had to take off to be able to get this in, because the stock, I should have measured them on camera, but the stock shocks for the rear were like 3 inches longer than these. So I had to remove some stuff and get some stuff put back in, but this is the height now, guys, of the rear. So you can see that clearance from before was like, it was the same height as the tire. Now it is clearance. Once I drive it and it settles, you know, it'll probably sit like another ½ inch to an inch lower. But now it's time to move on to the front. I lost a lot of daylight, guys, so I'm gonna try to make the best of it. I got a lamp on the floor with one of these. So that's what I'm working with. That's what I'm gonna be dealing with. And just to give you another idea of what the front looks like, pretty much at tires at the wheel well height. And we're gonna go ahead and get this knocked out next, right now. Right meow. All right, we finally finished up, guys. So here is the end result. I'm gonna do another review in the morning just to give you guys a better idea of what it looks like in the daytime. Sorry I didn't really film much during it, because I was just trying to get it done because we lost the daylight. But the car is sitting high, bro. The car is sitting high. These are stock shocks, but you know, once it settles in, it should drop like, you know, another ½ inch to an inch, and then I can go and get bigger tires again. But I'm digging it. I am digging it. They're all 4 done. And get this. So when I had the aftermarket shocks on there, it didn't work with the factory strut tower. So now that I have the stock shocks back on there, I can put the factory strut tower back on. So I am happy with that. Look all creepy, shining light on me so y'all can see me. But yeah, that's it. You know, I'm gonna test it out, drive it home, see how it does, and then I'll follow up again in the morning to let you guys know what my final thoughts are on it. It is a new day, guys. I did have to finish up. It did get pretty late last night, and it got really dark, and I was working with a house lamp because I forgot my flashlights. Anyways, the car is done. It rolls nice. It's like a whole new car. Let me go ahead and show y'all. Look at that wheel spacing. I can't even call it fitment. I mean, y'all seen it before. I mean, it used to come down and cover the, you know, the tire, so it sat. Now the stock shocks are up there, and if you hear the noise in the background, you can see right over there, it's my Ninja. I'm warming it up because I'm a plan to go out and do some work on that. Do some DoorDash deliveries and stuff on that here in a little bit. So I'm just kind of getting it warmed up and make sure the fluids are good and everything's good to go. But other than that, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Thank you for all my new subscribers. I noticed quite a few of y'all have subscribed. So if you haven't already, definitely show me some love. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I'll definitely be dropping some more videos here for you soon, and you know, definitely go from there. So the TL definitely needs some more work with the suspension. This is just the beginning. So I'm just loving how wide this field of view is. Like, that is nuts, yo. That is nuts. I'm digging this camera. If you guys are interested in checking this camera out, I'll have a link down in the description for you guys. It is an affiliate link, so it does help me out a little bit. There's no extra charge or anything to y'all. So peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.